Hello guys, welcome to all of you here once again. And from today we will start the practical implementation of Python. So in our previous lectures we discussed in detail what is Python, why do we use it, and different IDs available, we can use them, and the main interpreter of Python. So for now we are going to start practical. So for this, our focus will be in beginning lectures on ideally. So for this, you just need to go to your search bar and type ideally. So here you can see ideally is appear here. Just click on it and open it. So this is our ideally prompt. So in different programming languages, there are different types, data types are available, and we can use them according to our work. So we will discuss them one by one in our series. So for now we will start with integer and numerical values. So what if you want to perform different operations on numerical values? So let's see, if you want to add two numbers, you just need to add them by simply, let's see, I want to add two numbers, 2 plus 2. You just type in prompt 2 plus 2 and enter. And as you can see, the interpreter add these two numbers, and this is our answer, which is 4. So what if we want to subtract two numbers? So 4 minus 2, and here you can see our process has been performed. So in the same way, if you want to multiply two numbers, it will do this. And for subtraction, but here you can see, when we divide 4 by 2, it gives us the answer of 2.0. And if we divide 5 divided by 2, it shows us the 2.5. So here he interpreter gives us the answer because the answer is in floating point. But if you don't want to this 0 or this floating point, so we because the answer is in float value, and we discuss float in next lecture. But for now, if you don't want to this 0, you just need to type 5 and double slash then 2, and it will gives you only integer value but not float value, as here it gives us the floating point. And we can perform different operations. For example, we for working with more than two values, there are some rules that we should follow. So let's see, I want to add two numbers, 2 plus 2, and then I want to multiply these. So 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3, so it works. But what if I want to add 2 plus 2, and I uh, don't add uh, third integer here, so it shows me the syntax error. So there are some rules that we should follow so that error not come. And in the same way, if I want to add two numbers first, then I want to multiply the sum of those numbers. So for that, I should add two brackets, then 2 plus 2, and then multiply these the sum of these values with 3. So the answer is 12. So if I don't add use this bracket, so it gives me different answer. So as here I get 8. So if you want to prioritize your work, that you want to first to add two numbers, then you want to multiply, then you should use these two brackets. And if you will not use these brackets, it will follow the Demas rule. So what if you want to get the power of two numbers? So let's see, I want to get the square of 2, or I want to cube of 2, or I want to get the value 2 raised power 3. So there is one way is I should multiply 2 plus multiply 2 multiply 2 and get the answer 8. But if I have more than two values, I mean if there are 100 values or 99 power of 2, so for that we just need to use 2 times this tariff. So let's see, if I want to get the 2 raised power 10, so for that I should use 2 times this uh, static and then multiply 10. So it gives me the answer 1024, which is the correct answer. So that's so this is for now, and in the next lecture we will work on the string values. So thanks, Allah Hafiz.